Hello folks, I am your host Aliraj and you are watching Get Excitement. Today video is about what is NFT. NFT is a non-fungible token using the technology of blockchain to create something that is unique in the digital world. The meaning of fungible describes items that are exact equal value and interchangeable with each other. For example, $1 is same as $1. So non-fungible more or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. Something like a one of a kind trading card or this painting that I painted is considerable non-fungible. NFT help establish proof of ownership with only one official owner at one time in the digital world. Because in real life you just have to pass your trading card or painting to someone and that's it. But online how do you prove it? Because most of time you could just right click and save an image. The invention of NFT is a recent breakthrough for the digital world because it allows the owner to prove they own it. It is something like a certificate of authenticity. This means that even if you could right click and save that image on your computer, only the owner could prove it and everyone else would be able to verify who is the actual owner using blockchain technology. With NFT, it is issued from a source and each transaction or a transfer of ownership is recorded in the blockchain. So you can basically track the entire history of that piece of NFT since there is no way to modify past records. NFT could be used to authenticate anything digital or non-digital. It could be a non-digital item such as deed to a property, tickets to a concert, legal document like your vaccine certificate, or it could be a digital item such as tweets, music, and art. The current excitement with NFT whenever people talk about it is typically art. You probably have heard of this dog selling for $1.3 million. The first NFT are created by the Christie for $69 million. The more you try to wrap your head around understanding what is non-fungible token, the more you get confused. Well, there are few reasons why people buy NFT, but first let us just unpack the properties of NFT. And NFT is unique. Each NFT has unique properties that are stored in metadata as a token of the blockchain. Indivisible. It cannot be divided into small parts or decimals, so you cannot buy a fraction of NFT. Scarce. While you could easily right click and save the image of $1.3 million dogs, there is only one definite actual version that is sitting in the Sam's Guy wallet. Guarantee. Ownership of the asset and NFT can only have one owner at one time. Before you buy an NFT, you purchase the exclusive ownership of a particular digital asset. It's like a little like buying an autographed version of JPG, but anyone can view the work, save it on their computer and reshare them on the internet. But your ownership can be verified on the blockchain transferable. NFT can be transferable to any other person via the blockchain, which means you can buy and sell it. Each transaction would be recorded on the blockchain, so you would be able to backtrace and trace it. NFTs appeal to risk-taker investors with an opportunity to make huge profit if you can discern what is a good investment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe this channel for more future updates. Thank you.